We're off.
All right, Susie, you're clear. Well, it's been a casual weekend. Yesterday, thunderstorms caused a fire north of us, but only by a couple of kilometres. But there's a bit of green pasture between the area that was on fire and the houses.
So, it was the wetlands.
Yeah, it's the wetlands area. So it's a flood mitigation zone, basically. So there's a fair grass of 300 metres between the bushland and houses. So we were lucky. We had to put up with the sirens going all day, and we had to put up with the choppers with the water bombers. But the one thing we were grateful for is we didn't have to put up with the smoke, because the smoke was blowing behind our block. So we got a little bit of ash, but not that much. So what did you see on the way home from work, Susie?
Well, the other morning, on the way home after night shift.
Yesterday morning, when the fire started.
Yeah, I saw the lightning bolt. It was huge. It was enormous, and it just flashed down. And I thought, that's in our area. And I was in Maitland, East Maitland at the time, coming down the New England Highway, and I just saw this big lightning flash, just huge, and that's what started the fire.
Yeah, it was about, I don't know, 7:15 maybe, 7:20, 7:30, I don't know. I was asleep and bang, it shook the house. So I knew it was close. I mean, there was thunder, and we could hear thunder rumbling away here and there. But this one just sounded like it landed right on top of the house. Look at the whitecaps. And there's Lake Macquarie. No watercraft out on the lake today.
There isn't, hey?
There's a yacht right back, you know, the yacht races that go on right over in that gap there. Mm-hmm. It's a bit sheltered there, but they got the sails full of wind. I can see it from here.
Yeah, Warners Bay, here we come.
Get a good view of the lake in these areas because of all the grasslands that they have concerts on and picnics and people, you know.
Such beautiful views from around here. We're sort of going uphill and we've got a few twisties going on. What a view. And it's a beautiful day for a ride.
But it's so cool that we have hit over 2K subscribers in 2.5 weeks. It's been.
Yeah, that's it.
And it's because I've changed a few things.
Yeah.
We don't share our videos anymore to other social media because it upsets the algorithm. And number 2 is don't use the plus sign to add your video. Go through create video because that helps with the algorithm.
And set up cards and end screen.
The third thing is don't delete your videos. If you think the video is not doing too well, don't delete it because YouTube think that it's not a good video, so they won't promote it.
Yeah, so the idea behind that was if YouTube wants people to see the video and it's trending low, and then you delete it, YouTube thinks, well, you don't even like the video, it was rubbish.
I've also noticed that with the more subscriptions, there's been more views of our old videos. So our old videos are coming up now with more views on them.
Yeah, that's it. And that could have been a video that had very few views, and you get a bunch of new subscribers, and suddenly they go, oh, that's been offered to me. Yeah, I like that.
That's right.
Through the twisties. 35 just a suggestion, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, make your foot peg.
Booyah.
Hang on. Oh, yeah, is that better?
That's better.
Well, keep on enjoying our content, and obviously if you've been watching and you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because it helps the algorithm share it to other people so they can get to see it too. And then also, if you want to share to your mates that are also riding, they get to see a different channel, and when they got rainy weather they can watch a bit of YouTube as well.
Are we going to go into Newcastle?
Yeah.
Do you want to get up in front again?
You want me to?
Yeah, I'll move over and you come through.
There is water all around Newcastle, so lots of the suburbs have waterfronts. We're basically going out to a peninsula. It's not bad rides with you, just go through the bushland.
It's very sandy as well, because we're so close to the coast.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Going to go to Dudley, are we?
Yeah.
And see the ocean.
Yes. Stick right there.
And see the ocean in the horizon there. It's definitely getting chillier.
It is cool, yes. We're going to run out of road here. Yep. Okay, the beach is in front of us.
Have to go through White Bridge next.
Shopping centre dies on a Sunday. Where's the battery? Where's it show you the battery?
Oh, I haven't seen.
Because it goes straight into quick catch up. You've got one bar. Know where you want to go?
I don't know where I want to go.
Are you recording?
Yep,
Me too.
recording. Turning in here.
He is. Late on the indicator. Well, she was anyway. And what we're going through now is honeysuckle, where there's lots of restaurants and things. That walkway in front of us there has restaurants all lining it, so it's nice in summer. Come and sit at honeysuckle there and have a feed.
Kind of look at the river.
Yeah. We're right in the heart of Newcastle now. counter.
I felt like I was really low to the road.
Well, you were turning the corner.
There's Nobby's.
Nobby's is the lighthouse. And the beach next to it. And this is the harbour to our left. There's Harry's Cafe to Wheels. Harry's has a bike night once a month on a Friday night, sometimes twice a month in summer. There's the station to our right. That used to be the main train station at Newcastle, but now that stops further back from where we are here, and that's just used as a, sometimes they have markets there.
Marketplace.
Yeah, and they've got lots of little stores in there, haven't they?
They have. It's all changed.
I don't know what the stores do. None of them interest me. You see to our right is Fort Scratchley, which was the original fortress when the Japanese were attacking to protect Newcastle. And also along the Newcastle cliffs there's little outlets where they used to have gun turrets and things like that. They got cannons up there still. I think we'll ride around it, won't we?
We will.
So you can see it up the top there. There's a BMW there.
Yeah.
But end where?
Oh wow, look at the waves.
That's what all the wind does for you. Sometimes that's quite calm out there, there's only a little wave, but now, with the wind coming on shore, the surfers will be loving it. If they were game enough to go out in it.
It's too rocky around here.
They don't surf around there generally unless the waves start further out because it's so rocky. But the beach around the corner here, you get them surfing. They've created the Anzac Walk, which is a walkway that goes right across the top of Newcastle beach there. As you can see, it starts in that car park. Susie and I have done that a few times, haven't we, Susie?
We have.
And there's
You got a view on the other side.
Yeah, both sides.
To our right. Yeah.
And we're going down to Bar Beach.
Yeah.
Is it BAR or BARR? I can't remember.
It's BAR.
BAR
I'm
Bar
going to
Beach.
turn here.
Right, Susie's turning. Our eldest son, Josh, and his girlfriend at the time, who's now his wife, used to live on Derby Street here. Just back there. And that's the north side of the river, I think. So just a quick overview of Newcastle surrounds on this video, because we're only going on a few hours to ride. We'll take you to more specific places on other videos.
Oh shit.
What's that bloke selling out of his truck?
Yeah.
Plants, fruit, eggs. I don't know, I couldn't tell. I just
There was
thought he
something.
I just thought he was
Roses.
brave.
There's a sign there.
What is it?
There's signs. Strawberries.
Strawberries. So it's-
Roses.
I don't think there's roses. Well, there might be. They might be in the van. The north arm of the river or something. Anyway, it goes around. You can see over there on the right, there's all the industrial area, so there's shipbuilding yards and all that kind of stuff. and on our left is the sea.
I think we'll go towards that.
Towards what?
The water,
The sea?
the sea. Let's turn down here.
Okay.
Beeston Road. Oh, that wasn't a very good one to turn down.
That's all right. We can go around the roundy thing, whatever
It's a
that
horrible
is.
place to park.
I guess it's just a piece of land that has a tree on it and a power pole. Oh, all the doggies want to bark. Hello. There's the beach in front of us. Revs up.
Here comes the ferry into Stockton. Well, it's been a good day riding. We're now going to head home. We're going to go through to Tomago and then probably through to Sandgate and get home that way. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, life's short, so get on your bike and ride.
Engines roaring, sunrise on the chrome, leather and thunder, this highway's my home. Oh, steel horses rolling, we ride side by side, no map, no worries, just the world and the sky.